All right, let's go. We finna enter in this trade GBP USD. Right here. Finna enter $50.05. Let me see. $50.50. My bad. $50.50. And I also entered in a trade for $32.40. And so we're looking at the pair GBP USD. I'm pulling that up. We entered on the bullish break. We have the candlestick coming down, and so I'm gonna move my stop loss up. I'm moving it to the high, on the opposite side of the bullish trend line. So if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. And then I'm really just gonna have my take profit run, do its thing. We gonna sit in the trade and exit when the moment it breaks the stop loss. And so this is a divergence trade, where we had more than 4 touches and we broke and we entered. America, what's up, man? It's about like 12:44. I'm sending my little break. At the job, man, looking at this trade. I'm tired of my job, bro. Tired of my job. They got me doing the most bogus shit ever. But, it's going to get done. You feel me? I need to just keep working, suck it through, pause, and just handle business. But before I ain't gonna lie, but I'm fed up, man. This trading, it's going to work. I'm just letting you know that now. It's going to work. And you're going to come back looking back like, damn, nigga, I can't believe I was really just doing paperwork all day, having a deadline, but sitting here on my break, bro, just thinking, damn, watching this trade play out, knowing what it was gonna happen, it was divergence. I'm practicing getting in the trades when it's multi-time-frame divergence and really, getting in after the break. So we had the 4-hour break, and so we just watching that John drop. Hopefully it drops some more before we get out the trade, but man, that's it, man. That's all I got. Stay tuned. So check me out. Looking at this, it's Wednesday, waiting for it to close. We still in the trade. When I pop out to the monthly, it's telling me we're in a sale for the month, and it's 9 days left. It's a divergence, so even though it hit the top, we weren't expecting it to drop. On the daily, it's a sale, 4 hour. As you can see, we got 1, 2, 3, and then we broke on the 4th touch. Once again, that bullish line, and then we got the bearish line coming down as our safety line. That's where we're going to get in the trade. All right, it's about like 7 something in the morning. As you can see, it's starting to drop. It's bouncing off of the bearish trend line. So we're just going to ride this John through. You feel me? Ride this John through. Hopefully it drops some more. We'll be able to capitalize. Just looking at it once again, it's a sale for the daily. I'm already knowing on the month it's a sale. And so I'm just expecting it to just drop all day today. And we're going to see what we get. What up, America? What y'all on, man? Mind you, I'm spreading my legs right now because the camera paused. Because the camera, you feel me, the angle and all that. Man, let's get to business, man. Check me out. I'm in the trade right now. I'm not sure if y'all can see. Looking at it, we still maneuvering. We got in on the break up top up here. We got in on the break up here. And we watching that John drop down. So 9:46 right now. 9:46 right now. Catching this big move. I got this flight later on to help my sister go to college, handle business. So it's like big bro duties, you feel me? But yeah, later on we're gonna check out the trade, see how I go. Let me see how much I'm up. Say Yahweh! I'm gonna show y'all. I ain't gonna, you feel me? You see it? Before you see it. Yahweh! Up in the trade, man. Just gonna let it do its thing, you know, bro. Hopefully later on, I'm gonna come back. We gonna capitalize out the trade. You know, I gotta put my earrings in, man, finish packing. Go up there to the airport. I just got back, did the little TSA pre-check. But let's see, I'm gonna keep y'all updated just with the trade, all right? Forgive me for the low angle. So check me out. I ended up getting out the trade. Got out the trade because I'm finna board this plane. I'm also watching my nephew, and that brother is a handful. But yeah, that was capitalized on the week. You know, it's been a profitable week. You know, shout out Yahweh. You know, finna board the plane, man, enjoy myself with my people, you know, drop my sister off at college.
Once again here,
and go from there, man. Man, I'm stressed out mentally, man, but that's, you know, that was a trade. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I land, though. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and close out my profit so I can just hop on this plane, man. Yup, need those, snatch that. Thank you, Yahweh. We getting out, man. I ain't gonna lie.